What's good, YouTube, man? We're back with another video, and as you seen by the title, I'm gonna be going over all the active exhaust modes from quiet, normal, sport, and track. If you have an H pipe, this is how it's gonna sound. So let's get to it.
A few minutes later.
Alright, y'all, this is gonna be the end of the video. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.